everybody, welcome. I'm so excited today because I'm gonna be unboxing my new iPhone, the iPhone 12. So I just picked this up today. Today is October 25th. This phone was released on October 23rd, so about 2 days after the release date. Full disclosure, I'm not a tech channel. I'm actually a beauty, fashion, lifestyle channel, so I won't have a ton of insight on certain tech aspects. This is more just if you want to kind of see a real person unbox her iPhone. I'm super interested in the aesthetic of the new phone and the camera of the new phone, to be honest. This is what I'm looking forward to seeing. So I actually made an appointment at the Apple Store. I tried to pick this up Saturday night. I didn't realize that it was appointment only, so I made an appointment and went there this morning. And here's the little box, guys. I know there has been a lot of talk about how thin this box is. This is because it doesn't include the charging block like previous boxes. I have about 5 million charging blocks at my house, so I don't really care about that. I'm down to be more sustainable, and I really like that Apple is doing this. I'm gonna start unboxing this bad boy. There goes the wrapper. Here's my phone. I chose the green colored phone. I just want to give you a little bit of insight on why this is so exciting to me. If you don't know me, if you do know me, you know that I am still rocking my iPhone 7 that I've had for like 4 years. So I really got this for the camera. I think my deciding factor that I needed a new phone was printing out pictures of my daughter and looking at the quality of them printed. So I really liked the green. They had all the colors still in stock when I went and picked it up. I just thought this one was pretty. And oh my gosh, this is so big compared to my 7. And so behind my phone I had this little gizmo, which is the Apple sticker. To be honest, I don't really care about these stickers. I don't use them. And then instructions, and I'm not sure what. And then this is the charging cord. They also do have a really cool magnet charger that sticks on the back of the phone. Unfortunately, they were out of stock at my Apple Store. I really wanted to get one, so I'll have to get that at a later date. My camera stopped recording, and I don't know when, but I just got this phone turned on. Well, it's turning on. Oh, swipe up to. So I'm going to go ahead and swipe up. And then it takes me to this screen with all the languages. We want English, I'm in the US, quick start. So one of the really cool features with this new iPhone is it does have the ability to transfer all your data over from your old iPhone, which is really cool, but my old iPhone was in good condition and I just decided to trade it in and get some extra money off this iPhone. So I will be setting it up the old-fashioned way with iCloud. Now I'm just kind of going through some of the steps, data and privacy. Ooh, Face ID. Continue. How to set up. So I'm going to like position my head here. So my first face scan is complete. Second face scan complete. It's now set up. I do have a lot, well not a lot, I do have makeup on right now, so hopefully it still recognizes me without makeup. Now I'm going to set up my passcode. I'm going to see if it lets me do a 4-digit passcode. Yep, in passcode options because... So I just wanted to show you what some of your other options are. If you don't back up from your old iPhone, you can restore from your Mac, Android, don't transfer or do iCloud. I'm just going to do my iCloud. It just wants your iCloud info. So it literally just sent the code to my MacBook, which is dope because it's right in front of me. At the Apple Store, she did say just to have it text you because it'll try to send it to your other device. So if you trade in your phone, have it text your new phone. I don't know how that works, but it just kind of seamlessly connected to my MacBook. And then now it's asking which backup I want. I guess I'll just do last night's backup. I probably don't need anything new that's been added to my phone since then, but we'll just do it. I'm just going to continue with the settings that are already on my backed up device. I never updated the iOS on my old device because I was afraid it was going to make my iPhone 7 crash with the new update with the widgets. So yeah, I'll just be starting over clean as far as the iOS design goes. So it does say about 22 minutes, 24 minutes now. The time is going up. I was about to go off camera and go do something while this downloads, but now it says about 3 minutes to restore, and about 2 minutes ago it said 24 minutes. So I'm not sure if it's going to go up or down. Either way, I'm going to come back to you guys once it restores, and then we can see what it looks like and test out the camera. Okay guys, so it has turned itself on, and it saved my background from my old phone. I have a reminder, God is within her, she will not fall. That popped up. I'm not used to not having a home button. We gotta swipe up. It looks like all of my apps are still here. They're just all downloading from iCloud, it looks like. Things that were in folders are still in their folders. Oh, all my messages are still there too. So I'm really excited to see the camera, and then I also really am curious to see if I am still logged into some of my apps or if I'm gonna have to try and recover my passwords. I'm not really able to check yet because they're all like slowly downloading one by one. So I just took like a quick selfie. It's not my best selfie or anything, but I just wanted to show you guys the quality, and this is in portrait mode. Look at that. And I'll try to insert the photo as well because I don't know how well camera's gonna pick up on camera. Okay, so my Instagram app downloaded, the moment of truth. I was still signed in. I'm still signed in. I don't have to reclaim my passwords. I love you, Apple. This makes me so happy. I'm gonna try and go outside today and take, like, I don't know, some video footage. It'll probably just be random, but just to kind of show you guys how the camera works. I did not buy a case yet. I didn't have a case on my old phone. I was really living on the edge, but I have a toddler, so I definitely think I'm gonna go ahead and get a case and screen cover this time. I can update you when I do, or if you guys have a recommendation, let me know in the comments below. I did get the Apple Care plan on it just because I have a toddler and who knows what could happen to my phone. But yeah, this pretty much wraps up my video. I will just leave some more little video footage that I took at the end so you can check out the camera, and that's everything that I have for you guys. Thanks.
Wanted to see what this video quality is hitting for. This is just kind of random video. I just wanted to show you the video quality on this iPhone 12 just to kind of see what it's hitting for.